Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. I'm pretty excited. I was just sent this little mini circular saw here that is very comfortable on your grip, but it does come with an extremely large battery, a 6 amp-hour battery, which is huge, guys. This thing is an enormous battery, but it's going to last a long time, which is great. They do provide you with that fuel indicator there to show you how charged up your battery is, which I do like. And although this is big, it's not extremely heavy. Now, it does easily charge on this fast charger here, this 20-volt fast charger, so they do provide you with that. I will go ahead and put that into the bag that they provide, which is really nice as well. In addition to that, you also get your instruction guide and 2 guides that you can use if you're going to be cutting wood at a certain length and depth. You can slide it through there and get accurate cuts with those, which is really nice. I'm not going to be demonstrating those today. You also do get your little chuck key here to be able to put on your blades, and with the blades, I've got a wood blade on there now, 24 teeth. They do provide you with 2 of those, and you also get this ultra sharp, long-lasting one that's good for granite, marble, concrete. If you're going to cut some PVC or whatever the case is, soft metals, you can use that for that as well. So they provide that, and you get this, which is a nice dust collector bag with a zipper that simply just using this mechanism here clamps right on. That way you can go ahead and collect the dust in there. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on here and show you here. This has 3 different speeds. As it's running, you can set it on a low speed, medium, or a high speed. It'll do up to 5,600 RPM, so it's going to actually cut quite a bit of wood pretty quickly there. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing set up and ready to go on here, and go ahead and make a quick cut so you can see how accurate this thing cuts and how cleanly it cuts here. I mean, that made short work of that, and I'll be honest, this little dust collector bag actually collected quite a bit. Now, of course, with anything, you're going to get a little bit of, overage on some of that, but that did keep it from blowing all over the room, so that's pretty impressive. Loving the fact that this is really a compact tool that has all the attachments and everything built in with a long-lasting battery. It would work well for pretty much anyone's shop.